Hey guys, hey guys, hey guys, hey guys, hey guys, it's Bub here. And in this video, we're taking a look at our 2022 channel recap. Right, and here we are inside of the Vista Beta 2 desktop. I've been using one of these as my main machine for the last day, and honestly, battery life isn't that bad. We can see that ReactOS does remind us that it's in the alpha stage. And alright, here we are inside of Tiny 10 on the Core 2 Duo machine. That looks so much better than the current Windows installer. I have not taken a look at an insider build of Windows 11 since before its release back in October. I have no doubt in my mind that everything is going to run perfectly fine. Flip the computer back around and plugged in PCIe power to the graphics card. This button is sort of like our task view in Windows 11. And wow, this still opens as like one of the original Metro UI apps. Alright, and here we are inside of Cutefish OS, and I feel like I've seen this before. So the first thing you'll notice is that this looks like Windows 10 and Windows 8, some weird in-between variant. So while these computers actually build, let's just take a look around V2 Cloud. In Task Manager, performance. Alright, and here we are after the restart. And straight off the bat, just like last time, we are facing that graphical glitch. Even PearOS TV, the Pear logo is there in these pre-made Windows environments. Because this is UEFI, I'm going to keep it GPT UEFI up. Because the DWM is different, and here we are. Windows 10, Windows 11, and Windows 9X lock screen. And here you'll be able to select from your already pre-made lock screens. Apple packaging hasn't changed that much from the iPad Mini 4 to the iPad Mini 6. And when you click on it, you can go ahead and create a name. Yeah, this is definitely slower, like it did in Windows XP. I am so impressed already, and I've seen the desktop. And I believe, yep, this is the right one. 3.6 gigabytes. There are no new changes in Windows 10 22H2. I actually don't know the minimum for Windows 95 or the Rectify 11 installer. And then use this utility to format our drive. Also, the thing that I clicked agreed on, in case you didn't get to see, is this. Of course, we can see our start menu, which looks a lot like Windows Vista. I've never seen the new File Explorer yet. Like, even on my Insider laptop, upgrading to Windows 11 was they thought it was a downgrade. Doesn't really matter how slow it is, just the fact that it did actually boot. So, this would be the app launcher. Typical toolkits get flagged by malware. So now, after using the Pixel 7 Pro for a whole day, here's my opinions and why I'm returning this phone. If I set it to 1080p because there's no graphics drivers. So just to show you, we are actually on unsupported hardware, believe it or not. Let's see, 564, I'm gonna go 560. Battery, which I don't have a battery, but I guess is power management on it. That contains the new bootloader in order to, boot Monterey on this unsupported hardware. I believe, yes, network adapter is called in Windows 10 anymore. It's more like a transparent 87 out of 260 out of 300. Okay, well that's great because it's not letting us go at all. Even this reads Windows 2000, the preview, so they didn't update they didn't get that far in updating some things. And that was my channel's 2022 channel recap. This year we surpassed 6,000 subscribers, which is an amazing milestone for me. Personally, I never thought I'd make it this far, and I never thought I'd be able to stay committed to a weekly upload schedule, but we've stayed committed since COVID began in March of 2020. With that being said, there are also some other personal goals that I've reached this year that still relate to technology, so still the genre of this channel. I don't talk about them on this channel that much. In fact, I've never talked about them, but now's a chance. Maybe you'll get to know a little bit more about me. This year, I've passed 3 technology certifications, including CompTIA Security Plus, CompTIA Cybersecurity Analyst Plus, and the Cisco Certified Network Associate certification. And as the day you're watching this, because this is obviously pre-edited because it's a premiere, I will have already, on January 1st, taken the Cisco Certified Network Professional Enterprise Core exam, Encore, at 11 o'clock on January 1st. So hopefully, as you're watching this premiere, I would have passed. Otherwise, well, this is kind of embarrassing. So with that being said, thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, make sure to subscribe, as I have a ton of cool content planned for 2023, including hopefully starting the year off, hopefully, if I get that far, with an iPhone XS restoration. And with that being said, I'll see you all in the next one.